Have you ever wondered why lion tattoos are so popular? Well, the answer is quite simple. The lion is the king of the jungle, and such it is associated with strength, power, and courage. Add this to the fact that lion tattoos are usually quite simplistic in design, and you have a recipe for a popular tattoo. Thinking all of these things, I am going to present you with some ideas for lion tattoos. These ideas will help you to find the best one for you. So let's start the video. Lion with crown tattoo. The lion with a crown tattoo plays into the powerful royal image of the lion. Men who are the protector of their families and are in charge suit this tattoo design. It shows that you are strong, independent, and in control. The tattoo can also have a Christian meaning. The Bible refers to Jesus as both a king and a lion. Singer Justin Bieber has this tattoo design on his chest. If you are one like them and you drive a big responsibility, then this is for you. Draw these types of crown lion tattoos in your body. I think the arm is the best place to draw them. Female lion tattoo. This is for women especially. A female lion tattoo is a very meaningful tattoo choice because of the way lionesses behave in nature. In the wild, lionesses hunt together to provide for the family, as well as care for cubs. They are powerful predators, as well as being a material. For those reasons, a lioness in king makes more perfect tattoo tribute to the strong woman in your life. If you are a female and searching for a better idea to draw a tattoo, then this will match your best. Here are more than one designs in the female lion tattoo. Pick your one. Tribal lion tattoo. There are several options when it comes to choosing a tribal lion tattoo. If you have a tribal heritage, a lion tattoo in your cultural tradition style would be a striking choice. African tribal art often includes bold black ink and geometric shapes. Meanwhile, the classic tribal tattoo style has more curved lines, which would give your lion design life and movement. Either way, a tribal lion tattoo is eye-catching and unusual. I think as a personality-increasing tattoo, these tribal lion tattoos will be the best. You may take suggestions from them. Geometric lion tattoo. Geometrical tattoos are not like realistic tattoos, but they have a special attraction to all of us. For an unusual and trendy take on a lion tattoo, try a geometric tattoo. The art style gives any tattoo a modern and futuristic touch. So if you are a fan of more abstract and non-traditional ink, it could be perfect for you. There are lots of different options when it comes to a geometric lion tattoo. Shaded triangles will give the design depth and complexity, creating a standout effect. Lion head tattoo. I think the most iconic part of a lion is head. All of the parts of lion are represented by his hairs and eyes. So if you want to present a link in a tattoo, then you have to draw the head of it. Here I arranged some attractive eyes in line. You may select one from the list to draw. Eye-catching in any style, lion head tattoos are impressive, designs that look good on various body sections. The bold features of these big cats and the quantities they represent, power, poise, and majesty, make these visually striking tattoos deeply meaningful. Lion of Judah tattoo. A powerful symbol in the Rastafarian belief system. This lion represents strength, nobility, and African sovereignty, thus making a Lion of Judah tattoo an excellent choice for anyone wanting to show their devotion to Haile Selassie. This is a kind of historical tattoo. They are beautiful and traditional too. The design will almost the same, but you have the right to customize them in your way. Lion eye tattoo. In this section of the video, we are going to show you some furious eyes. These eyes are of lion. There is no mistaking the striking gaze of a lion. Their piercing eyes and unflinching profile make these tattoos a unique choice for folks that can convey the fairness of their style with just one look. These eyes are meaningful and they have different views. If you're trying something like them, then you may draw anything like this. Roaring Lion Tattoo. This fierce lion's mouth tattoo is one of the most brilliant lion tattoos you will ever come across. This tattoo includes a realistic tattoo lion mouth using brown, black, white and grey ink. The open mouth feature looks extra real, especially once the tattoo artist adds in pink ink to the tongue. This tattoo makes it perfect for your thigh or full arm. If your tattoo artist can pull off the realism in this tattoo, you will be able to achieve that fierce and mighty personality that the lion gives out. Get this tattoo by reminding yourself how to stand up and fight your way in a world filled with chaos and sin. Viewers, that is the end of this video. I hope after watching this video, you get some high quality, unique and special tattoo suggestions. If you pick them to draw in your body, then that will be a great selection. Thanks for watching this video.